Hi friends, welcome to SS Maths Academy. I hope you are good. Now extension of geometry, such a beautiful topic I am going to explain today. That is nothing but triangles. Nothing but triangles. So children, so viewers, you have to observe. It is a one white paper. You think like it is a white paper. You take any 3 points on that and it like this, right? Name of them. Okay, put a, you marked a 3 points on a white paper. Name of them. Name of these points are called ABC. Join them with line segment or curves. 1 AB, BC and C2A. What is this? Yes, one polygon. The name of the polygon is called triangle. You take any 3 points on a paper, join with a line segment or any curve, then it is simple closed figure is called a triangle. Name of the triangle is triangle ABC. Name of the triangle is triangle ABC. Now, dear viewers, I am giving to such a beautiful definition of triangle. A triangle is nothing but simple closed figure made of 3 line segment. Simple closed figure made of 3 line segment, then it is called triangle. Sometimes we can say like this also, a polygon which consists 3 line segment. A polygon which consists 3 line segment, then it is also known as a triangle. Triangle we can name it as triangle ABC, denoted by, in the name of triangle we denoted by the symbol triangle ABC. Okay, now triangle has some parts. What are they? Yes, sides and angles. Yes, very good. How many sides? 3. How many angles? 3. Very nice. Yes, triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles. The name of the sides of this triangle is AB, one side, BC and CA. Angles are ABC, BCA, CAB. For our convenience, sake of our convenience, we can write shortcut interior angles. Middle value is B, your middle value is C, your middle value is A. So, how many angles are there? 3 angles are there. Totally, how many parts does triangle have? 6 parts. 3 sides, 3 angles. So, triangle is nothing but a simple closed figure made of 3 line segment, and it is called triangle. Triangle has 6 parts. Triangle is denoted by delta. Triangle has 6 parts, no? And triangle also have 3 vertices. What are the vertices here? Vertices. Yes. A, B, C. These 3 are the vertices of given this triangle. What is the meaning of vertex? As I told you in previous my videos detailing, any 2 adjacent angles join together. Any 2 adjacent angles join together. This joining point is called vertex of 2 angles. Here vertex is what? A. Here vertex is what? A. Here vertex is what? B. Here vertex is what? C. So vertex, how many vertices are triangle have? 3 vertices. And here I take 1 point. Here I have to take 1 point. Here I have to take 1 point. For suppose in a plane. Now P, Q, R. Dear viewers, very easy. This is called P is called interior point of a triangle. R is called exterior point of a triangle. Interior point P is called, R is called exterior. What is about Q? Q is called boundary point of a triangle. Boundary. The point lie on a triangle or boundary point of a triangle. You, for example, you are in a classroom. You may be in classroom interior. You may be outside of the classroom exterior. You are on the near the door of the classroom. That is called boundary of the point in a triangle. Exterior, boundary point of a triangle. These are the basic phenomena about triangle. Now, based on sides, 3 parts. Based on angle, 3 parts. This class Now in this class I am going to explain triangles are can be classified into lengths of their sides. 3 are there. Based on the lengths of their sides, 3 more triangles are there. And sizes of their angles also divided into 3 parts. That can be I am going to explain today my class. Let us see. Every triangle is having some parts are there. That parts should be, this is called vertex, this is called angle, this is called sides. Yeah, based on length of their sides, 3 triangles are there. You know very well what are they? Yes, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, next is scalene triangle. Based on the sides, right? Based sizes of their angles, based on sizes of their angles, more 3 are there. Sizes of based on their angles, more 3 are there. What are they? Yes, acute angle triangle, right? Obtuse angle triangle, right? Now right angle triangle also there. These 3 also based on their angles. Total 6 triangles I am going to discuss today. Now what about equilateral triangle? Let us see. Yes, dear viewers, let us see here. This triangle ABC. The name of the triangle is PQR. You have to take all capital letters only, remember. And this is called DEF. In these 3 triangles, for suppose first triangle is having all sides are equal. If a triangle is consist all the sides are having equal, means 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. For suppose when a triangle is consist all the sides are equal, means AB equals to BC equals to CA, such kind of triangle is called equilateral triangle. Types of triangles based on length of their sides, 3 are there. Sizes of their angles also 3 are there. I am going to explain detail you see. Now equilateral triangle. I am going to draw an equilateral triangle. Yes. ABC is called an equilateral triangle. What is the meaning of equilateral triangle? In a triangle all the sides are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. And properties I am telling. In an equilateral triangle, all the 3 sides are equal mode, all the angles also in equal mode, and very important point, it consists 3 line of symmetry. 3 line of symmetry. Yes, in an equilateral triangle, in an equilateral triangle, AB equals to BC equals to CA, all the properties, first property, all the sides are equal, as well as all the angles are also equal, which means 60 degree, right? In a triangle, sum of 3 angles equals to 180 degree, you know very well. Next, so the sum of these 3 angles equals to 60, 60, 60 means 180, all angles are equal, and 3 line of symmetry is there, like symmetry. How many lines of symmetry are there? 3 lines of symmetry will be there. 3 lines of symmetry will be there. 3 lines of symmetry. First property, all the sides are equal. Second property, all angles are equal, that is equals 60 degree. And 3 lines of symmetry it is consist. Next, second one, isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, yes, isosceles triangle, name of the isosceles triangle is BEF. In that any 2 sides are equal. First property of isosceles triangle, in a triangle any 2 sides are equal, such triangle is called isosceles triangle. Any 2 sides, according to this diagram, that kind of 2 sides are B and BF. Any 2 sides are equal, and as well as any 2 angles also equal. With respect to this value, I am going to take 2 angles are E equals to F. E equals to F. All sides are equal, any 2 sides are equal, all angles are 60, 2 angles are equal, 3 line of symmetry, here 1 line of symmetry. 1 line of symmetry will be there. 1 line of symmetry. That is nothing but like this. 1 line of symmetry is there, consists isosceles triangle. Next, what about scalene triangle? Simple. You see. Take the diagram. Take the diagram. Here, equilateral triangle is over. Isosceles oval. Next I am going to take LMN is an scalar triangle because all the sides are distinct. All the sides are unequal, first property. All angles also unequal, second property. No line of symmetry. Yes, LM not equals to MN not equals to LN. All angles are distinct to each other and unequal. All the angles are also not equal and no line of symmetry. No line of symmetry. This concept is called scalar triangle. Right? Now based on length of these three sides, equilateral, scalar, isosceles, scalar is completed. Properties also I explained very clearly. Next let us go with angles. Okay, acute angle triangle. Suppose all the interior angles are acute. All the interior angles are acute. Then the triangle is called. Acute angle triangle. All the interior angles. Where are the interior angles? Here. These are the interior angles. All the interior angles are acute, then it is called acute angle triangle. Right? Obtuse angle triangle. Simple. In a triangle PQR, any one interior angle should be more than 90. All the interior angles are acute means less than 90. Here any one interior angle is more than 90. For example, Q will be more than 90, 105 something will be there. Such kind of triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. You remember, in acute angle, all interior angles are less than 90. In obtuse angle, any one interior angle more than 90 is called obtuse angle triangle. Next, right angle. In a triangle, any one interior angle should be 90 degree, exactly 90 degree. Then the triangle is called right angle triangle. In a triangle, in interior angles, any one angle should be 90 degree. Such kind of triangle is called right angle triangle. Right? Yes, based on sides 3R, based on angles 3R. I explained with diagrammatically clearly. I hope you have to understand my class, and don't forget, please share and subscribe my channel and comment also.